Welcome back to another segment of Predators of News Freedom. I am student journalist Nishita from CMS Bangalore. Ranked 169 in the 2020 World Press Freedom Index, Bahrain continues to be one of the most dangerous countries for journalists. According to Reports Without Borders list, Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, the King of Bahrain, has been a predator since 1999. Khalifa's regime began pursuing harsher policies towards journalists when cracking down on the Arab Spring in 2011. At least 12 journalists and citizen journalists have been imprisoned, while a blogger has been sentenced to life imprisonment since September 4, 2012. The Bahraini authorities have also harassed, arrested, detained, and tortured prominent women journalists. Along with this, they also face societal and employment discrimination based on restrictive gender stereotypes. A prominent example is that of Naziha Said. She is a prominent journalist who has worked as a foreign correspondent for French media outlets for well over 12 years. She was captured by the Bahraini authorities and was tortured. Many other journalists too were detained for covering security forces' violent suppression of peaceful protesters. Naziha Said filed a complaint with the Special Investigations Unit. However, they claimed that there was insufficient evidence and they refused to investigate. In 2016, she was summoned to appear before the prosecution office in relation to a complaint filed against her for practicing journalism without prior permission from the ministry. The complaint was filed by the Information Affairs Authority. On June 29, 2016, a travel ban to Germany was imposed on her upon her arrival to Bahrain. She had not received any prior notice regarding the travel ban, and the security officers refused to reveal the reason behind the ban. The monitoring team at the Bahrain Center for Human Rights has worked to monitor the violence against journalists since the beginning of popular protests in 2011. Disturbingly, 100 media workers have been dismissed from their jobs, 3 have been killed, nationalities of 7 have been revoked, and 6 of them have been targeted, while another 19 of journalists have been arrested. Bahrain has mostly targeted photographers and cameramen. The RSF reveals that a majority were convicted on charges like participating in demonstration, property destruction, and supporting terrorism. Journalists and citizen journalists are given long jail terms and sometimes even life sentences. Many have been mistreated in detention, and some of them have been stripped of their citizenship. Since 2016, Bahraini journalists working for international media have had problems renewing their accreditation. For foreign journalists, getting a press visa to visit Bahrain is very complicated. Speaking of 2020, 28 journalists and media assistants have been killed, while 244 journalists are imprisoned while we record this segment. According to a list, 119 citizen journalists and 14 media assistants too have been imprisoned. Overall, Bahrain has proven to be a deadly country for journalists. With people working towards spreading the truth and knowledge being killed, Bahrain surely proves to be a predator of news freedom. I am Nishita and we'll see you next weekend. Until then, stay home, stay safe.